This is lesson 4-4A, logarithms. One of my favorite topics, right up there with probability, number bases, number theory, conic sections, etc. All right, so here we go. We've got logarithmic form and exponential form. Most students are familiar with the exponential form. Logarithmic form is new and confusing. All right, so this is read log base b of y equals x. That's analogous to b to the x equals y. So these two forms are interchangeable. And a lot of times we'll be trying to get to this form to solve and evaluate problems. All right, I've got two examples. Example 1, convert the following to exponential form. So the way that I remember this is as follows. The log is an exponent. The base is on the bottom. So if you can remember that a log is an exponent and the base is on the bottom, that'll help you a lot in this chapter. Okay, so here's a base on the bottom. Here's a log, an exponent. So 2 to the 5th is 32. Here's a base on the bottom. Here's a log as the exponent. So 5 to the 0th equals 1. Here's a 10 as the base on the bottom. Here's a log as the exponent. So 10 to the 1 equals 10. Base on bottom. Log as exponent. 1/2 to the -1. The -1 reciprocates it to 2. So here are the answers to example 1, just converting from log form to exponential form. Now in example 2, I'm going to evaluate the logarithms. So what I'll do is I'll first write it in exponential form and then see what I can do. So what I'm going to do is set each expression to a question mark. You could set it equal to x, but when you've already got an x, you've got to use a different symbol, so whatever works best for you. All right, so now let's convert it to exponential form. The base is 3, the log or exponent, so I've got 3 to the question mark is 81. So what I'll do is I'll just convert all of these first. 5 to the question mark is 1/25. 1/2 to the question mark is 8. 9 to the question mark is 3. And 3 to the question mark is 9 to the x. All right, so 3 raised to what power is 81? 3 to the 4th. So question mark equals 4. 5 to what power is 125? Oh, 5 to the -2. So question mark equals -2. 1/2 to what power is 8? Well, 1/2 cubed is 1/8, so it's going to be question mark equals -3. 9 to what power is 3? Well, the square root of 9 is 3, so that's 9 to the 1/2. So question mark equals 1/2. For this one, what I'm going to do is try to get the same bases. I've got 3, and 9 is a power of 3, so let me rewrite it this way. 3 to the question mark equals 3 squared to the x. 3 squared is 9. And then I've got a power of a power, so I'm going to write that as 3 to the question mark equals 3 to the 2x. And if I got 3 to the something equals 3 to the something, those somethings or exponents must be the same, so question mark is 2x. I'll just write that right here. And there you have it, how to change from log form to exponential form and how to evaluate logarithms.